Today, our guests are Andrzej and Mikołaj from mBank, one of the biggest Polish banks. Gentlemen, could you introduce yourself to our audience?
So my name is Andrzej. I am AI tech lead at mBank. I'm working here for almost 2 years now, but I used to be a data scientist previously. I'm keen on machine learning now and AI, which is a natural evolution direction for this kind of specialization. I've got a team of 8 people right now working on very interesting projects with AI at mBank, and we would like to present you some of our thoughts and results.
Hello, my name is Mikołaj. Currently, I am working as a AI engineer in mBank, but I have also some experience in startups. I've been working there for around 5 years, and I think last 3 years I was creating stuff with LLMs and evaluating them.
Andrzej and Mikołaj will be presenters at Data AI Warsaw Tech Summit 2026. Could you please tell us what are you talk about? What will be your presentation about?
So I want to present you some path that we took when AI boom started a few years ago. Our stakeholders had a very good idea to work on AI in an organized way, so that we can reuse things that were developed in some projects into other areas. And one of the problems that we were facing was how to deal with our database, which is really big and huge. I mean, there are hundreds of tables. Some of those have tens, hundreds of columns. And it's not easy for our analyticians to find proper data in this database, to ask proper SQL queries. As I said, it's a very complex case. We were thinking about using AI to support us, but the simplest approaches were not effective. The results were very null, and we have our own outer approach that we would like to present you from the very bottom part. I mean, we would like to show you exact technologies that we're using, we'd like to show exact queries that we're using, we'd like to show how each part of the system talks to each other in order to support our employees.
I will talk about some of the challenges we faced. Some of them were that if you would like to put entire database into the context of the LLM, it simply wouldn't fit. So you have to craft the context your way and make sure you put only the relevant stuff. The other thing would be how you maintain the system and how you make sure it doesn't drift into the wrong direction while being in production, and how you make sure that the quality gets better, not worse. And of course, how to improve and iterate on the product and make new features, add new features, and just make the product better.
In your opinion, what will be the most significant challenge for developers, especially AI developers, in 2026?
I think the current problem that developers and people in tech are facing is the amount of information they have to process and the amount of new technology being reported basically every week, new tools, and finding the right tools and staying on top of the wave is very important. And I think the top one skill a developer should learn is to build the proper tooling and proper news feeds for yourself, so you are not staying behind and you don't work with the old tools in the new era of state-of-the-art tooling.
Thank you very much, Andrzej. Thank you very much, Mikołaj. And see you in Warsaw at Data and AI Warsaw Tech Summit in April.